Over the years, we have created many versions of the bob. Its appeal is simplicity and versatility that suits many different textures. The bob is always fashionable and popular with clients. The shape is precisely cut with a sharp edge, then softened by point cutting. This gives a modern twist to a classic look.
Apply TIGI Copyright Heat Protection Spray as a cutting lotion. First, take a profile parting from the forehead to the nape, then 2 slight diagonal forward sections from below the occipital bone to the bottom of the ears. Tilt the head position slightly forward. Comb the hair to its natural fall and at a 0-degree elevation, blunt cut the line in the comb parallel to the parting. Then take 2 slight diagonal forward sections from the occipital bone to the middle of the ears. Lift the head slightly higher to control the graduation through the back. Continue working with the same technique, using the wide teeth of the comb to minimize tension. Cross-check before proceeding. Take 2 slight diagonal forward sections from above the occipital bone to the top of the ears. Slightly lift the head and repeat the same technique while maintaining even moisture content throughout the hair. Cross-check before proceeding. While working above the occipital bone, lift the head to an upright position and continue working with slight diagonal forward sections. Comb the hair to its natural fall and blunt cut parallel to the parting in the comb at 0 degrees elevation. Repeat the technique until all sections are complete. Upon completion of the cut, cross-check the balance. Apply TIGI Copyright Multitasking Styling Foam to give support and thicken the hair, then blow dry using a TIGI Denman styling brush. Detail the nape using freehand point cutting. Further detail and soften the entire shape by deep parallel point cutting in the comb. Finish with TIGI Copyright Volume Finishing Spray to add a light, flexible hold.